Guys, dapat nating i-promote ang public understanding ng IT. Alam mo yun, knowledge is power.
Tama. Kaya we need to make sure na yung work natin for the public good. Kailangan isipin yung welfare nila.
Oo nga, and we should always comply with the intellectual property laws. Huwag mag-shortcut sa unlicensed software.
At syempre, we must take full responsibility sa work natin. Competence and professionalism always.
Kahit sa mga small tasks, diba? Ganyan ginagawa natin sa mga work natin. Always thinking the public interest.
True. At huwag kalimutan, ethical behavior is key sa lahat ng ginagawa natin.
Oo, like nung last project ko, nagkaroon ng issue sa unlicensed software. Good thing na, ito agad.
Kaya nga, compliance is a must. Ang tagal talaga.
Oo nga. Dapat walang misleading information. Truthfulness is essential.
Wow! 300% faster charging. Seryoso? Grabe, ang bilis ng charging time. Sir, alam mo ba, na mas maganda kung realistic yung claims. Palitan natin yung flyers para mas accurate yung info. Hindi naman natin gusto na ma-disappoint ng ating customer.
Sa isang sulat mo ay nabihan ako para mangiwan na.
Ah, okay. Sir, kamay ko. Ay, sorry.
Nabiglayin ako na balik.
Sakto, dati may nagturo sa akin na IT Pro about honest advertising. Nakita ko ang importance ng integrity.
Correct. Ethics not just a guideline, it's our way of working. To the codes of ethics ng IT professionals.
Let's go!
Let's go!